It's your boy Bino Valentino. Hold on.
Trapping in Mac.
I knew that was gonna happen. It's your boy Bino Valentino back again with another vlog. And right now, we are on the way to tour at another apartment. So chat, literally every single day. Today is Monday. We literally have tour scheduled Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, bro. We supposed to be moving this month in the month of April. And not we supposed to, we are. So, to me, we finna be touring all these apartments, bro. We need to be signing the lease by this weekend, next week type shit. If you ask me. Not if you ask me. That's what we gonna do. I'm telling y'all what we doing. But, right now, I'm on the way to the apartment right now by myself because my girl don't get out of work till 5 and the tour is at 4. I had to leave work early. But let me make sure I'm going the right way. Hold on. Yeah, I am. Going the right way. So yeah. She at work, bro. Hold on. They go 12. They go 12. They go 12. They go 12. I'll just be right back. Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead, man.
Let me just ask now.
Matter of fact, you should have started from the front door. If we're gonna do this right.
I'm gonna go back and get it. I got you.
Because she needs to see all of it. Not just one piece.
Definitely, right.
She can do a lot of decorations.
It really can.
And then also you have your storage. It's itself on the patio too. So if you guys ever need extra storage, you're allowed to put things in the storage. Yours will come with an actual lock as well, so then you'll be able to lock it, being on the first floor.
Alright, so chat, sorry about the format of recording. I had the phone up and down because like I said, my girl not here to see, and I had to make sure she's seen it, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I can tell y'all now, she gonna say no. She is definitely gonna say no. But I would agree with her. We're still gonna do our due diligence. Damn, what the fuck, the fucking sun. We're still gonna do our due diligence and show her the video that we recorded. Because we recorded it. But mission complete for today, I guess. On to the next one tomorrow. In other words, in other news, we are here where we are supposed to be. I hope y'all is too. And yeah. Let me get y'all a second. Alright, chat, so today is Tuesday. We back with another apartment tour. And I'm waiting on my girl to pull up. And yeah, We're just waiting on her to get here. I spoke her right up. She's literally pulling up right now. That's crazy as fuck. But I guess we're gonna go ahead and get inside and get our tour started. And I will show y'all that in a second. BRB.
Let me know when you go on the side.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, it's like the water heater. Yeah. I'm just fine. Alright, so chat. Y'all seen we just did that tour. That was yesterday. That was Tuesday. We had that tour. Today is Wednesday. Bro, it's so funny because I'm asking my girl the whole time, does she like the apartment? She keep just like turning her nose up like, she like, it's stinking here. And I'm like, bruh, what the fuck do you like the apartment? Cause you know they show you like the tour unit, and a tour unit did stink, in fact. It smelled like something was wet. But I mean, it was decent. I ain't really care too much for it. I mean, you know, whatever, not my favorite choice. But she said the same thing pretty much, like it's okay. It ain't nothing like, you know, ooh, let's sign the lease. Like, nah. But, you know, whatever. Comment down below what y'all think of the tours so far and where would y'all have chosen. Because I don't know if I had told y'all, we getting 2 bedrooms because we gonna obviously need a bedroom for the first one. Like the primary bedroom. And then the secondary bedroom is gonna be pretty much where I'm like doing my content, streaming, just extra storage for like clothes and like our luggage. And my girl also wanna have like a vanity in there for herself. So we gonna pretty much include all that in our second bedroom. And you know, just go from there. But that's what we getting it for. And then second bathroom, obviously, you know, like if we got a second bedroom, we wouldn't want everybody to be like coming to the bathroom, the only bathroom, and have access to our room and stuff like that. So like the guests that come over, they have their own bathroom completely to themselves, away from our room, and you know, stuff like that. But yeah, that's what we're looking for right now. And we got another tour today, I think at 5:30 if I'm not mistaken. I gotta double check with the complex. But yeah, we got another tour today pretty much. Bro, I hate when people drive slow. But yeah, we got another tour today pretty much. Then we got another tour tomorrow on Thursday. So I'm gonna show y'all this one again. But I'm gonna show y'all this. We're gonna go on a tour again is what I meant to say. And then when I get out of work, we gonna just see if we like it or not. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is one I really personally liked online, and I think I'm gonna really like it in person if everything's like the same layout pretty much. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show y'all that in just a second. Boy, somebody granddaddy outside. Sorry for the shaky camera footage. Y'all see that say granddaddy? Somebody granddaddy outside. Come on, bruh. Learn how to fucking drive, mate. I know I ain't got y'all fit check in a minute, but we just went. Alright, I'm a head out shirt. Got the bleach stain on it. But, bro, this is one of my favorite shirts. Nike shorts, Vegeta socks. See Vegeta on there. And then we went, what is it, 450s, I think? 450 Yeezys. And we got the gun. And you said this one is the classic, right? This for all my no do-gooders. I think you know what I'm trying to say. Y'all see it. Y'all ain't gotta act like y'all don't. I ain't had energy drinks like that for real in a minute now that I'm thinking about it. But, see y'all in the gym. Chat, I'm driving to Fort Worth. Bro, why I look like heaven left the curtains open, gang? Y'all see this? Little sneak peek. God, like, I'm gonna show what. But bro, like, the sky looks beautiful right now, bro. Like, it's definitely looking amazing. No cap. I'm God. I don't even know why you even said nothing to her. There it is. What's up? Got your nigga in the club. Oh, this is crazy, gang. Well, this shit far as shit.
Maldito coágulo. Ya salió. Es que le está diciendo, como le está diciendo ayer, si le quitan ese coágulo, a lo mejor ya puede recuperar sus fuerzas. Que si ese coágulo se deshiciera, ella podría estar hablando como normal. Pero ya que la cosa que se le oye más bien en la voz como más fuerte. No, ya más fuerte. Ya se le oye.
I ain't never seen a white Cybertruck. Them hoes are still clean as fuck to me, gang. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Alright, so check. My Preems has prepared some avocado toast for me. It's gonna be my first time having it. We are about to talk bad about her if it's not good. It does look very pleasing. We're gonna try it. It's an iframe. That's pretty good, though. It's like very like robust and fresh.
Fresh is the way to describe it.
I will say, My only critique, I just wish the bread was toasted a little bit more. Oh my God, this would have sent it to the moon. Let me give this a 8.7. I'm gonna enjoy it though. Alright, so we at Clay Cooley Nissan. Clay Cooley. Taking my cousin to pick up his truck, right? And yeah, I don't think, like, camera not doing no justice, obviously, but bro, these flags, I can imagine, like, if they was on the ground or holding them, they would be so, like, huge. Look how long it take them to flow in the wind. That's crazy. Chad, I thought it was Iran. It's just the Walmart drone. Bro, that shit loud as shit. Yeah, Antonio just set this up right here on this thing. The fishing rod. We fishing right now, by the way. And the fish just got caught on the line. Check. I got another one. I can't take them off though. I didn't even put my own worm on. But Antonio on the board. Got him. Third one today, y'all. There's a snake right here, chat. Y'all see the tongue? This where we at. This where the snake at. That nigga is really swimming. Alright, so chat, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the vlog here. I did want to update y'all real quick on a few things. Me and my girl did sign a lease. Well, we went ahead and applied for an apartment. Shall I say? My bad. We applied for an apartment today. Yeah, me and my girl, we applied for an apartment today. And yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. Next vlog, what happens with that. So yeah, I give y'all I was gonna say tour. No, did not mean to say that. Anyways, we at the gym, finna go work out. But yeah, we're gonna catch up on this vlog and see what happens from here. And I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all came this far, I appreciate y'all for watching this whole video. It's your boy Bino Valentino. I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.